Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Sami Tech. Today my topic is light microscope and electron microscope. There are two microscope are used in microscopy. Examples: light microscope (LM) and electron microscope. And in a light microscope, vibrations, light process and throw of electrons supermans the biological of simple you are looked and microscope. The magnify of Call and theory microscope formed by using a mixture of the power of the eye price of the objective lens in order to substance the total magnify when vibrations in the magnet eye prices which is divisions of in the therefore of 10 examples I used in a 10 object the lens of well product a magnify of process. This means object to all magnify and 14 plus and 1400 plus into the electron microscope has the reactions of small is 0.2 non-matter nm magnifications up to times of there are two major types of electron microscope: scanning electron microscope CEM and translations electron microscope TEMS in scans electron microscope into the microscope copy a beam of electron moves back and forth and electrons of Call and our tissue and creating of details and image of third secures it translations electron microscopy in controls the simple is cut into the exactly meant in the sentence before imaging and the electron beam passes off through the spells of in scanning or its surface teams is often used to omit details of imaging the international secures of Call history of development of Call theory exact in the first of make into the input of organic emissions of in activity of forms equations to the first principle of the Call theory. All organisms compound of on or more Call operations various of prawns of varied or not compositions of Call their rather of the are sub calculator of or calculator pollutions but do not run any molecules activity. Instead theme this is the slow sum of activity of lum in organic SMS. IT is the equations Call and numbers and translate their carbons to the next of greatly. Calls are the best unit organic SMS of Call theory and in the organic SMS compositions of Call theory there are different types of calls. Call a can another of painkiller or equations Call have a proper naturals of calls in Germany of in examples into the of animal and our annual programs and in the divisions history of the development of Call theory and activity ancient Greek were the first to make compositions activity to the data. Thanks for watching.